So I'm just here basically nimekuja ku apologizea Sophia. I've been watching her kwa TV and nikasema this is the right time I need to apologize to her.
Okay, wait, come up. Come and do it from here. Sophie, come.
What's going on? What's going on?
We don't know what's going on, but we're about to know about that, y'all.
Yeah. And the fact that Sophia has not said a word.
For the first time.
I'm even
This is going to be
shocked.
interesting. This is going to be interesting.
Babe, come on this side.
Can I go?
Kaka tu hapo.
Wacha.
Go ahead.
So najua nilimkosea kitambo.
Mnajuana?
Yeah, alikuwa mama. Yes, alikuwa mama. So I'm just here to apologize to her. Najua nilikosea, I'm not a good person.
Iko on, inawaka.
Okay.
So, nataka uambie watu, since umekuja kuomba msamaha in public, na ulini disrespect in public, ambia watu, kwenda ambia mom chenye ulinifanyia. And you have the audacity kukuja hapa kuniomba msamaha.
Ukisikia dema ametumia kitu ngumu hivyo.
Tell mom, face mom and tell her what you did to me.
Najua sikukosea mom, nilikukosea.
Kukosea nini? Should I tell her? Or you don't want to say?
Unachoma.
2.
No. Relax. Sawa, mom.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yes.
So nilikuwa date na Sophia. Mumu itanga my remote leo ni control, but vitu hazikuwa poa. But she was loving, but ikafika place yenye alikuwa pia na mistake, so tungeza kudate.
Tell mom what you did to me. Acha kushinda kusema hatuku date or nini. Mom, he slept with my best friend.
Whoa.
And my best friend is here. How am I supposed to handle this?
But you left him.
Can you...
You're talking.
You came
relax.
to Mr. Right to look
friend.
for a Mr. Right, so I took care of him for you.
Oh my. Wait. To get a ribbon from Sophia.
Yes.
Oh my God. Oh. What just happened?